Shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star. Walk into the room like who's that? It's me. I'ma get to work, get a hard hat. It's easy. I'ma take it to the end zone, leave a hater in the friend zone. If you don't get the vision, then stop talking, start listening. Shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star. I'ma be shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star, shining like a star, star. Oh, I'll be shining like a star, star. I'll be shining like a star, shining like a star, star. I'll be shining like a star, star. Shining like a star, star. I'll be shining like a star, star. Shining like a star, star.
You should see the way the stars illuminate your stunning silhouette. You're glowing in the dark. I had to count.
Nagkakilala kami ni JP sa Tinder! Love at first swipe.
A day after yun. Chat-chat na sa Tinder. Tapos hanggang after a month, nag-decide akong i-meet siya. May dala-dala akong tinola. Totong ulam.
Mga ilang buwan na kami magkausap, 1 month. Tapos ngayon, magsi 7 years na kami.
Nagsubok lang kasi hindi naman ako mapasyal sa mga bar o mapasyal sa ibang lugar. Doon lang ako nakatagpo ako. Swerte. Bong, Rico, Matthew. Siya ay nagtatrabaho sa Fast Patang. As ako, nagre-review ako para sa licensure sa Seaman. Ay naitawid naman, tapos nakuha ko pa siya. Nakuha ang kanyang puso. Hi love, hope you like my gift. This watch symbolizes our timeless love. Has less time for each other, but a lifetime of togetherness. I love you. Can't wait to see you later. Jude.
Wala, puro straps! Puro straps! Ano nga yun? 80,000 na bag.
Aray ko!
This is Kat! Rona! Lindsay! Ira! Mahal, ito ang pambawi sa lahat ng stress. Mahal! Na dapat dulot ko hanggang ngayong preparation ako sa baby's bag. I love you too, baby!
Everything is black and white. Your colors exploding. There's something in the way you shine. I don't need a camera when you're in my eyes.
If you are really meant for each other, God will make a way. Nasa pamamagitan ng app na yon, ng technology na yon, nag-match kayo at nandito na kayo ngayon.
Kinagabay, nag-iisang tiyak sa 1,000 duda, silong sa iyo.
We waited really so long for this, pero okay lang kasi na-maximize naman namin yung time namin with our family. So, it's really okay na ganun katag. I cannot say we're very fortunate, but I can say that we're stable.
May mga tao talagang pinagtagpo, pero hindi sila tinadhana. So it is a destiny that you will be wed together sa altar na ito, sa araw na ito, at sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon after ng dedication.
Maligaw man at mawala.
Magbabae sa iyong asawa, matapak.
Nakis!
Namarka namin balong. Lagi mong pakatandaan. Huwag mong pababayaan yung magiging asawa mo.
Judy, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si JP na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father!
Daan ko ay patungo, ay pabalik.
JP, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Judy na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Kay tagal nang lumulutang, walang
From this moment on, I vow to love you with every beat of my heart
Wow.
and soul, through every joy that lights our path, every challenges that make us stronger, and every moment the future holds for us. With God's grace guiding us, I promise to cherish and honor you always, to be your unwavering protector and your deepest confidant. I pledge to nurture and grow our love with tenderness, devotion, and endless passion every single day for the rest of our lives. With all my heart, I love you and you alone, now and forever.
maligaw man at mawala, at umikot man sa kawalan, dahil sa bawat kailan, sino't saan, ikaw lamang ang kasagutan.
Hi, love. This is it. Finally! After a long time, we are here na. Alam ni Lord how much we waited for this. Thank you for all the time and the patience sa ugali ko. Grabe, baby. From a simple swipe and now forever na. Salamat, mahal, sa araw-araw na pagmamahal sa akin kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa. Ramdam na ramdam kong andito ka palagi sa piling ko. Thank you so much. Kahit matagal, naghintay ka din naman. Andito na tayo, mahal. I love you so much.
Kung ang puso ko ay ikaw ang dulo, ang gitna.
Wala naman nagpakasal para maging malungkot. Sa bawat isang nagpapakasal, gusto nilang maging masaya. At ang sinasabi sa kwento ng mga nagpapakasal, and they lived happily ever after. Mga kapatid, formal